Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to the extensions page. This is where you manage everything. Click the three-dot menu, choose More Tools, then Extensions, or type Chrome//extensions in the address bar and press Enter. Once done, make sure Developer Mode is visible if you need to load unpacked extensions or CID. That toggle reveals additional controls and helps when troubleshooting installation problems or checking permissions. You now locate the specific extension. Use the search field on the extensions page or scan the list visually if it's short. Click Details for the extension to inspect permissions, site access, and version information so you understand what it can do and why it needs access. Once you decide, toggle the switch to disable temporarily or click Remove to uninstall. Make sure to check site access settings if an extension behaves unexpectedly. You finish by adding or updating extensions. Go to the Chrome Web Store, find the extension, and click Add to Chrome. Confirm the permissions when prompted. To update, enable Developer Mode on Chrome//extensions and hit Update, or rely on Chrome's automatic updates. If something breaks, disable other extensions to isolate conflicts, clear cache, or reset browser settings. These steps quickly reveal whether a permissions clash or a stale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.